Hello everyone, welcome back to Coordination. In this video, we'll be discussing about Accenture Developer Program. So what is this developer program and why should you join this? This developer program will give you an opportunity to work on realistic tasks that the developers and consultants at Accenture usually do on their client projects. So we will be discussing everything about this program, like what all skills you can develop through this, what are the benefits of participating, what all tasks you have to complete, and how to apply for this program. So stay tuned till the end to understand the complete process, and if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications because we give updates on jobs and internships every day. So let's start our today's video. So through this developer program, you can develop skills in the areas like architecture, programming, artificial intelligence, testing and cybersecurity, and these skills will prepare you for long-term success and will give you an edge in your personal as well as professional career. Through this developer program, you will also get a taste of how a career at Accenture can help you make a meaningful impact on the world around you. And now let's have a closer look on the benefits of participating in this developer program. So upon completing this program, you'll get a certificate of completion which you can share among your friends as well as professional network. So by completing this program, you'll gain a new confidence and you'll be able to put your skills at work. You can learn directly from Accenture because this developer program has been created by leaders at Accenture. You'll also receive instructions about each task, and at last you can compare your work with real model solutions from Accenture. You'll also gain real work experience and you can do this program in your own time because this is a self-paced program and you can just complete it in 2 to 3 hours. So as mentioned, you can develop skills in the areas like architecture, programming, artificial intelligence, testing and cybersecurity. So you'll have to complete some tasks in each of these areas. So we'll be discussing about those one by one. Let's start with architecture. So in the architecture area, you have 3 sections to complete, like define technical requirements, design changes to an existing architecture, scale on-premise system infrastructure to the cloud. So you'll be getting instructions and more details upon registering. And in the programming section, you have three modules to complete, like reading and understanding code, attention to detail, debugging algorithms. And in the testing section, you have 2 modules to complete, unit testing, user acceptance testing. And in the security, you have security maturity assessment, IAM policies and permissions, securing the software development lifecycle. And at last, in the artificial intelligence section, you have 2 modules to complete, shaping the problem and data and privacy. So this program is self-paced and it will take around 2 to 3 hours to complete. The link to apply has been given in the description. Upon clicking the link, you'll reach this site wherein you have to log in, or you can just click on continue with your Google account, and then you will have to give your basic details like first name, last name, current university, current degree, and how did you hear about this program. So mention all this and then click on complete registration. So here you will have to answer few questions. So why do you want to do this virtual experience program? Choose your answer and then move on to next question. Which degree type applies to you? Business, commerce, computer, IT. Choose your answer and then move on to next question. When did you start your current degree? Mention your starting year and expected ending year. And then move on to next question. Mention your gender and then click on get started, and here you'll find this page. Click on register now, and here also you'll have to answer few questions like how did you hear, from where did you hear about this Accenture developer program? Choose your answer and click on next. What is your main purpose in registering for this Accenture developer program? Choose your answer and click on next. Rate this program out of 10, and then based on your knowledge about Accenture, would you like to apply for a full-time or internship role at Accenture? Choose your answer, and then would you like to give your personal information and contact details to Accenture? If yes, then click on yes, or else no. And then you'll find this page. Click on next and click on start your first task. Here you'll get details about your first task. You can watch this video to get the instructions of your first task, and you'll find your basic information about your task and other details of it. You will find the resources which will help you to do this task, and you can just start your task by clicking here, or you can just view the next task. So you'll find the second task, you'll get the same information that you got for your first task here. You can watch this video for your second task, or if you want to choose some other area like artificial intelligence or programming area to start with, then you can just click on lines of business here, and after clicking on that you'll find all the 5 fields here. So choose the one you want to start with, like artificial intelligence. So upon clicking artificial intelligence, there you'll find the 2 sections that you have to complete under the artificial intelligence. So choose the one and start with that. So this was all about Accenture Developer Program. This is a great opportunity to learn something new. Do like the video and share it among your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.